Imagine going to bed, waking up the following day to see some couple of thousands of dollars in your bank account. It will feel great, right? Exactly. And this is the main reason why I created this YouTube channel. Basically, to give you money making opportunities. So guys, with this said, and without taking much of your time, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple ways that you can actually use to make money whilst you are asleep, just like I do. All I basically do is simply go to bed, wake up the following morning, record YouTube videos. I don't worry about money. Why? Because the things I do before going to bed actually covers all my bills for me, and that's exactly the experience I want for you as well. So guys, with this said, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight to business. Let me share with you these 5 easy money making ways that can actually make you money even whilst you are sleeping. So guys, the first way to actually make money online whilst you are sleeping is basically through YouTube automation. Now, YouTube automation is one of the easiest way to actually make money off the YouTube platform. Why? Because every single thing is basically done by AI, unlike the one I'm currently doing on this channel. So for example, with YouTube automation, you don't have to spend money on buying any expensive gadget. Like, let's take my channel for an example. Before I can make money off this channel, I basically need to first of all get an expensive phone just so my camera will be clear. Secondly, get a good lighting, get a microphone. But then with YouTube automation, you don't need any of these tools. All you need to get started with YouTube automation is basically simple. The first thing is simply pick a very profitable niche. Now, I simply look at niche like motivation, relationship, health and fitness, and all those make money online. These are very profitable niches that you can run faceless, where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice or anything related to your personality. Secondly, simply after getting the niche, you use AI like ChatGPT to generate your topic ideas, script your YouTube videos. From there, you can move on to AI like 1111 Labs. You can use this one to basically generate your voiceovers. Now you have your video script ready, you have your voiceover generated with 1111 Labs, and then you can use a free tool like Leonardo to generate the graphic required for the scene, or use a free stock image website like Pesos to actually outsource your images and videos to use for your faceless channel. And basically this simple. All you need to do is simply mix all these steps together, create your video, upload it on YouTube, meet up with the monetization requirement, and you are basically good to go. All you simply do is record this, edit this video, post, edit and post, and you can basically be making thousands of dollars even whilst you are sleeping. Why? Because the videos you posted will be generating the revenue for you. So guys, this is the first way to actually make up to $1,000 on the internet even whilst you are sleeping. Is basically through YouTube automation. Very simple and straightforward. Now, for those of you who really want to get started and make money through this system and you are looking for a mentor, you can basically contact me on Instagram at PerezTech1 on your screen right now, and I will take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can actually get started with it. So now, with this said, let's move on to the second idea on our list. The second method on our list to actually make money even whilst you are sleeping is basically Forex trading. Now, a lot of you have this idea that Forex trading requires a huge amount of capital to get started, and apart from that, it requires a lot of lessons. And the truth is that what Forex trading is one of the easiest ways to actually make money online. Like, if you're even looking at this video carefully, you notice that whilst we are talking, I'm actually trading right now. And this is the best thing that you can also do for yourself if you're really looking for a way to make money with less stress even whilst you're asleep. Is basically through Forex trading. And the benefit is simply you do your analytics, you place your trade, and you go to bed that easily. So in order to get started with Forex trading, the first thing you need to do is simply learn a trading strategy. After you learn the strategy, the next thing is simply choosing the right platform to trade with. Because when it comes to trading, having the right platform is very important. I'm a trader, so I know what exactly I'm saying. Some platforms will not give you good trading condition and might also move away with your money. So for the sake of your safety, I'll be recommending Light Finance in this video. So Light Finance is one of the best trading platforms out there that you can actually use to trade. And as you can see, they are official partner of Leicester City FC. This alone should tell you that what they are one of the best platforms you can actually go to. So when it comes over to Light Finance trading, they offer a very good trading condition for both beginners and experienced traders, and they have one of the best interface ever. And apart from that, as for their deposit and withdrawal system, very simple, and you can also copy other profitable traders as well. So let me say you are a new beginner who is getting started with Light Finance, and then you are not really that savvy in trading. You can actually copy other experienced traders that are having good return on investment on the platform. just copy their trades. So whenever they place trade, you click on the copy button, and then you can take the same trade as those profitable traders and also make money whilst you are still in your learning phase. And I think that's one of the benefits of them. And they offer some of the best platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and 5 and then C Trader. You can see their leverage, every single thing. So most of you might not be good with most of these terms that I'm mentioning right now. So basically, I would say if you are looking for the best platform to trade with, Light Finance is one of the best. All you basically need to do is that, well, come over to their platform and then click on where it says registration. Now once you click on here, it will take you over to their dashboard here where you have to fill in your registration information and you're basically good to go. So they work in most countries, so you just have to give it a try, and the link to it will be down in this video description. Do well to check it out as well. So now guys, that is it about Forex trading. When it comes to trading Forex, the first thing is simply learn a profitable strategy. Secondly, pick the right platform to trade with to make sure that what you don't get scammed, as most people are claiming, even though most are just lying to you to make Forex look bad. The third way to actually make money even whilst you're asleep is basically licensing or selling stock medias. So these medias could be sound effects, beats, it could be video effect, normal transition effect, or it could basically be stock videos or photographs of some random locations that you actually snapped. Now you'll be wondering, how exactly can you make money with this? Well, there are platforms like Shutterstock and then Adobe Stock where you can basically sell photos and video clips. So basically, if you are someone who frequently goes out and take pictures, maybe some good evening sunshine photos or some good environment, and they just take pictures of it, these are materials that we graphic designers or video editors often buy to actually make our video editing more better and a lot of that. So basically, if you are someone who can actually get some good videos or images, you can actually sell them on platforms like Adobe or Shutterstock and they get paid for it for a lifetime. Because for every single picture or video you post on these platforms, it stays there for as long as possible. So basically, you get paid for as long as someone buys it. So there's no limited amount of it. And then the other one you can do here is simply, if you are someone who's good at making sound effects, you can sell them on Epidemic Sound. So it's one of the best platforms to actually sell your sound effect. If you can create sound effects with either your video editing software or any sound mixing software, you make your sound effect, upload it on this platform. And we video editors, like if you are watching my videos, you notice that when I'm bringing all these pop-up images or doing this video transition, I do use some sound effects. Now those sound effects are not free. We either buy them or we make them ourselves. So some of the ones I'm using here, I bought them, and some I got them for free as well. So you can also do this sound effect and place them on those platforms for sale for anything as low as $10 and above. You can even sell them for as high as $50, depending on the demand for such effects. So guys, that is about the third way to actually make money here even whilst you are sleeping off the internet, is basically licensing stock materials. The fourth one on our list is basically selling AI generated artworks. Now we are in a world whereby almost every single thing artists were doing with their hands, you cannot do it with AI. So if you are someone who is savvy about generating AI artworks, so this could be something like the Mona Lisa painting. Some people even use AI to generate a replica of it and started selling it on platforms. So basically, if you are out there and you are really good with AI, like you can really come up with some great and crazy artwork ideas, but then you are not good at painting, you don't have to kill yourself over painting. You can basically use a platform like Midjourney, platform like Leonardo, and other AI artwork generating platform. You basically go there, put in a simple prompt, they are going to generate a very catchy artwork for you, and you can go list this artwork on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Amazon, and other e-commerce platform, and they sell this artwork for a great amount of money. Like basically, if you look through this whole list, one of the easiest way to actually make more money is basically through selling this AI artwork. One, because you are not going to stress yourself with painting. It's just a simple prompt that ChatGPT can give to you, and then you take it to Midjourney or Leonardo AI, put in that same prompt, and then this artwork will be generated. The only work you do here is simply come up with the kind of artwork you want. So basically, our advice to look for an artwork that will actually grab users' attention a lot. So with a little bit of meaning behind it. So you work with attention and meaning. So once you generate this sort of artwork, you go post it on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and other e-commerce websites. When people buy it, you make your commission. This is very easy. You can generate up to 10 to 20 different artwork in a single day, and then just list them on your store, and then you sit back, get your money for a lifetime, because it's a digital product, meaning there is no limit to it. And the best part is that if you really want to monetize this skill, you can even start generating them in real life. So basically, I have a friend who is doing this in Nigeria. He used this AIs to actually generate these artworks, and then he makes a printout of them in real life, frame them, and then sell them to people who actually are interested in buying them, and you can also take this opportunity as well. So guys, that's a fourth way to actually make money even whilst you are asleep on my list, is basically by selling AI generated artworks. The final one on our list is simply starting a print on demand business. So basically, print on demand is like starting your own clothing or accessory brand. So with print on demand, all you basically need to do is that go to a website like Printify and Co. You sign up on this website, and then you basically design things like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and a lot of this. All you basically do is that you make your design, place it on these materials, put your price tag on it, and then those platforms actually do the selling and the printing every single thing for you. So the only work required for you to make money with print on demand is simply be able to come up with trending content ideas. So when it comes to content ideas, that actually attracts a lot of people. From my experience of print on demand, I would say you should go for things like motivational related relationship, and also taking advantage of this Val's Day, Christmas Eves, all those Christmas seasonal. Take advantage of this seasonal photo quotes and a lot of things to actually make your designs. If you're able to make some good designs out of this, you basically go to a platform like Printify, place those designs on either clothes, phone cases, or mugs, even on laptop stickers and a lot of that. Once you do that, these platforms are going to do the selling. So whenever someone makes an order on those platforms, they are going to print out the product itself, deliver it to this person regardless of where the person is living. All you basically do is that you set your price and they take your commission whenever someone purchases it. And to even make more money from this, you can also utilize social media platforms to promote them and also generate sales for your own self as well. So this will actually even help you make more money. So basically, if you are looking forward to actually make money with print on demand, you don't have to stress yourself. As I said, this channel is to make you money and make you excited. So I already have a video on how you can actually get started with print on demand, and I'll be tagging that video in the description. You can also see it at the top there. You can go check it out, or just check the video description and get a full guide to my print on demand system. So guys, those are the 5 ways in which you can actually use to make money even whilst you are sleeping. It's basically this simple and straightforward. You just have to pick one of them, take it seriously, and you are good to go. So nothing is actually easy, even when we say make money whilst you are sleeping. Like for example, I make money off this YouTube channel whilst I'm sleeping, because once I upload a video, the video makes me money over and over again, provided that is getting views. And there's no way a video will not get views. So even when I'm sleeping, even when I'm not recording videos, like I can go 2 weeks or more without uploading videos and I'll still make money off the system. And for you to actually get to this level, you need to put in the working required. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.